To download apps on the Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro when you are connected into the iPhone, you can do this. First of all, you have to open the Huawei Health application. Now go for Devices, select your watch, the Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro, and go for App Gallery. Here you can find some applications, but as you can see, we cannot find all applications that are actually available, for example, on Android devices. So in this case, we cannot find, for example, Maps navigation or some other payment application. So if you want to actually get those apps that are not available here, you will have to first of all connect this watch into the Android phone, download apps that you want on your watch when connected to the Android phone, and then you have to just simply disconnect. You don't have to actually reset your device. You have to go for settings on your watch, go to the system and updates, and just click to disconnect. Do not unpair or reset because you will erase everything that it will save on this watch. And after that, you will be able to actually pick up your device when you download the Huawei Health application and log into the same account that you are using on the Android device, and your watch will be available here. So to reconnect, you will have to just tap on it and click reconnect. And this is the only way to actually get all of those apps.